Hello everyone, I'm Nisha Samant from Elites Technomedia. I welcome you all at 4th Elites Cybersecurity Summit today. And here today we have with us Sonali Singha. She is the co-founder and CBO of Zeron, and I welcome her.
Thank you, Nisha.
Yeah. So Sonali, the first thing which I would like to start with you is, can you just tell us about your organization?
Sure, would love to. I'm from Zeron. I'm one of the co-founders and I'm Chief Business Officer here. So Zeron actually deals in a very niche space in cybersecurity. We deal in cyber risk quantification. That is, we transform the language of cyber risk into business continuity for the stakeholders to understand cyber risk better and to take informed decisions on that.
So the next question, thank you for that. The next question is reactive to proactive cyber strategy. Could you tell me about this a little bit?
Sure. So I will just give some statistics over here. Nowadays, in every organization, starting from enterprises to small organizations as well, you will see that on an average, every organization uses 8 number of security solutions. But also, in spite of using 8 number of security solutions and also having internal cybersecurity team, only 1/3 of the data breaches are identified. And per data breach actually costs 4.49 millions approximately. So you can understand how crucial that is. And investment, how are you investing? Is that an effective investment? So when a cyber breach happens, after that you go through the compliances, you go through multiple evaluations and assessment. But during that time, the loss has already happened. So that is the reactive measure. But here I am speaking about proactiveness, that before the breach even happens, you should be at least aware of what is there on stake. You should be aware of all the risk scenarios, and everyone should be on the same page, and that is what we call as proactive cybersecurity strategy. So that is what I am speaking about here.
Okay, thank you. And the next question is, how can CRQ help in informal decision making? Please let us know.
Sure. So, when we are transforming the cyber risk into business continuity and multiple other factors, right? So, it will help you to allocate resources accordingly. It will help you to optimize as well. And also, the main challenging part is communicating cyber risk properly to your board as well. Because right now, even RBI also enforces the management or the board needs to be a part in a strategic decision making for cybersecurity. But then it is very important for them to understand what is cybersecurity and what are the cyber risks for them, right? So that is how CRQ can play a major role, where you can also get benefits from your cyber insurances and to multiple other things as well.
Okay. And your key takeaways from this conference today?
Thank you.
Sure. So I really found out very interesting that under this roof, all the BFSI leaders are here together and we are speaking about cybersecurity. So this is a very niche part, then I will say, like all the BFSI leaders speaking about cybersecurity, all the trends and the challenges that they have also faced, and coming together with some idea, I got to interact with a lot of people here. So that was my key takeaway, and yeah, that's it.
So how's your overall experience with Elites Technomedia as a whole and your feedback on this?
It's really amazing. Like there are multiple paths that I could see. There is not just one thing that is happening. Like continuously, we are having something or the other, and the way of interactions, it's quite creative, I will say, right? So you have actually brought to us multiple ways to interact and collaborate with the people, because this is what the networking means, right? So thanks to you and the team over here, so giving us this platform to interact and to network. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us today.